Hey everyone! Before I started this 30-day business challenge, I was feeling stuck and uninspired in my entrepreneurial journey. I needed a change, something to reignite my passion and boost my productivity. That's why I decided to take on this challenge. I wanted to see if committing to specific business practices for a month could really make a difference. Let me tell you, the results were surprising. Welcome to my 30-day business challenge journey. In this video, I'll be taking you through the highs and lows of the past month, where I committed to practicing specific business habits every single day. If you've ever wondered what it's like to push yourself out of your comfort zone and adopt new practices to enhance your business, then stick around. This challenge was all about growth, consistency, and seeing just how much I could achieve in 30 days. So, what exactly did this 30-day business challenge entail? I decided to focus on 5 key business practices that I believed could bring significant benefits to my work and overall productivity. Here's what I committed to. 1. Daily goal setting. Every morning, I set clear, actionable goals for the day. 2. Time blocking. I scheduled my day into blocks of time dedicated to specific tasks. 3. Networking and outreach. Each day, I made an effort to connect with at least one new person in my industry. 4. Continuous learning. I dedicated time each day to learn something new related to my business. 5. Reflective journaling. At the end of each day, I spent time reflecting on what worked, what didn't, and how I could improve. The potential benefits of these practices are immense. Goal setting can provide direction and motivation. Time blocking can enhance productivity and focus. Networking can open new opportunities. Continuous learning can keep you ahead of the curve, and reflective journaling can foster personal growth and better decision-making. Day 15, the honeymoon phase. In the beginning, I was enthusiastic and full of energy. Setting daily goals gave me a sense of purpose each morning. Time blocking helped me stay on track and minimize distractions. Reaching out to new people was exciting, and I was eager to learn something new every day. Reflective journaling was a new habit, but it felt good to put my thoughts on paper. Day 6-10, facing reality. As the initial excitement wore off, the challenge became more demanding. There were days when sticking to my time blocks was difficult. Unexpected tasks and interruptions tested my resolve. Networking started to feel like a chore, especially on days when I was busy or tired. However, continuous learning and reflective journaling remained enjoyable and insightful. Days 11-20, finding a rhythm. By the second week, I began to find a rhythm. Goal setting and time blocking became more natural, and I could see improvements in my productivity. Networking was still challenging, but I started to notice its benefits. I made some valuable connections and even discovered new opportunities for collaboration. Learning something new every day became a highlight, and journaling helped me process my experiences and refine my approach. Days 21-30, the home stretch. In the final stretch, I felt a sense of accomplishment and momentum. The business practices I adopted were becoming ingrained habits. I was more focused, productive, and motivated. Networking became less daunting, and I started looking forward to these interactions. Reflective journaling provided clarity and helped me identify patterns and areas for improvement. The most impactful moment came around day 25. I had been consistent with my practices and was starting to see tangible results. My productivity had increased significantly, and I felt more in control of my time. One particular networking interaction led to a promising partnership opportunity, which I wouldn't have discovered otherwise. The combination of daily learning and reflective journaling sparked a new business idea that I'm excited to pursue. This challenge taught me the power of consistency and how small daily actions can lead to significant changes. Overall, the 30-day business challenge had a profound impact on both my professional and personal growth. By committing to these specific practices, I was able to enhance my productivity, build valuable connections, and gain new insights. It wasn't always easy, but the results were worth the effort. This challenge helped me break out of my comfort zone and develop habits that will continue to benefit my business in the long run. I encourage you to try your own 30-day business challenge. Choose a few practices that you think could benefit your business and commit to them for a month. Trust me, you'll be amazed at the results. Share your experiences and results with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it goes for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on my journey and tips for business success. Thanks for watching.